Alright, YouTube people, we got a 2004 Mitsubishi Lancer ES. The HVAC control knob on the left is broken. Stem broke off, so we took the assembly out of the car, and now we're going to make the repair. Called around. Used ones are $150 to $250. Went to the U-Pull-It. Had a car on the lot 4 days before I got there, and the assembly was already gone. So it must be a possible defect, or maybe someone just put too much pressure on it. Okay, I'm going to show you how this came out of the car. If you look right there, the cable was connected to that mount. It's out of focus a little bit. There's two little small tits you have to push and depress to slip the cable ring off. The right one and then the left one. Also, to get the circuit board out, of course you take your knobs off. You had that off already. 4 screws. One there, one there. Anyway, it gets the circuit board loose. And I'll show you how to get it out. The middle knob, that assembly has to come out to release the circuit board. Okay? So you go back in behind here. Well, it's hard to say. But you got to pop the little ears loose. And I've already done that. See wherever the ears go in? You got to stick a screwdriver in there and pop those things loose. And then the assembly comes out. And the circuit board will come out. Slides right out. So then you got something to work with. Alright. Here's the old piece of the stem. I measured it. It's 1/4 inch in diameter, 250 thousandths. I found a rod, same diameter. And I'm going to take that rod and I'm going to groove it, and it'll be the same diameter as the shaft. And then I'm going to take this welding marker, which has a 250,000 diameter chalk, and we're going to fit these together. I'm going to cut the tube off, and the tube will be, I'll have to work with it, but I'm going to make it where it slips over that broken stem. Still got enough stem to work with there. So I'll be working on that. When I get it kind of cut down, I'll turn the camera back on.